Meet the parrot, a fascinating creature found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. With their vivid colors and charismatic personalities, parrots have captured the hearts of bird enthusiasts everywhere. These feathered friends possess intelligence levels that rival those of a 4-year-old human child, making them some of the smartest birds on the planet. They're capable of problem-solving, learning tricks, and even mimicking human speech with astonishing accuracy. Parrots are not just fascinating creatures to observe. They can also make wonderful pets for the right owners. However, it's essential to understand that parrots are high-maintenance pets. Their highly social nature means they thrive on interaction and companionship, forming deep bonds with their human caregivers. They can become cherished members of the family for decades.